Your wallet isn't empty because of one giant movie-style disaster. It's empty because 9 tiny habits are holding a silent funeral for your paycheck. You go broke one coffee, one upgrade, and one delivery fee at a time. The first silent killer? The daily coffee you pretend is a personality trait. $5 a day is $1,825 a year. Tiny daily expenses overflow because your brain files them under nothing. The fix? Buy it 3 times a week, not 7. Number 2, the streaming pile you call entertainment. A 2024 survey puts average subscriptions at $91 a month. That's $1,092 a year for stuff you barely remember owning. Half of them are just digital raccoons eating your paycheck in the middle of the night. Cancel everything for 30 days. Re-add only what you miss. Third, food delivery, because your fridge felt emotionally unavailable. Empower data shows delivery hits $118 a month. That's $1,416 a year. Plus, it costs 20% more than the menu price after fees and tips. Keep 2 cheap default meals ready at home, or the app wins. Fourth, upgrading your phone like the old one committed fraud. A premium smartphone hovers around $940. Carriers hide that total by slicing the pain into $39 monthly payments for 24 months. That's financial anesthesia. Keep your phone for 3 years, not every launch cycle. 5, fast fashion that expires emotionally after 2 washes. Spend $100 a month on random clothes. That's $1,200 a year. Use the 24-hour rule before buying online. 6, nights out pretending to be networking. 2 $15 drinks every weekend is $1,560 a year. Set a cash limit before the first drink makes you financially creative. 7, sneakers and status stuff bought for people who don't care. A $150 pair every 2 months becomes $900 a year. Before status spending, ask, would I buy this with no audience? 8, the gym membership you use as a personality deposit. The average 2024 membership hit $69 a month. That's $828 a year to visit the treadmill museum. Prove it with 3 free workouts a week for 30 days before paying. 9, the car that's secretly your most expensive roommate. AAA puts average new car ownership at $12,297 a year. That's roughly $1,025 a month before parking decides to be evil. Keep total car costs under 15% of your take-home pay. None of these looks insane alone. That's the trap. Broke arrives with free shipping and a loyalty program. Do a 9-item silent spending audit and strictly cut 2 categories. Start by eliminating recurring expenses first, because that's broke on autopilot. Stop funding the silent funeral. Let your wallet live for once. Hit subscribe and we'll fix another money disaster before it steals your rent.